Reed.
Yeah.
Hey, Reed.
What?
Reed, what on earth is going on with your schedule? Yo, like I'm trying to find a time for us to meet, but you're more booked than the library.
I know. Between my research program, conferences, my blogs, community involvement, church involvement, I just don't know where the hours go.
Yeah, I mean, okay, I can feel you on that for sure. Like, I feel like I really haven't sat still since I got to Philly, right? And like, being now Dr. Jones certainly doesn't help, because I'm sitting here in this postdoc, but like not really feeling like I belong, so I've been trying to put in mad hours just to show that my PhD isn't a mistake.
I totally get it. I feel like USC made a mistake when they let me be somebody's professor.
Man, it sounds like we are both suffering from imposter syndrome.
I know. It's sometimes really hard to get out of that feeling, but it is important to remember who we are.
Right, okay, and so when we look at that Technicolor raincoat that's your schedule, where are you in that?
Okay, I've been thinking about this a lot lately. So when I see my clients, I try to remind them that we have 168 hours in a week.
24 hours a day, 7 days, compared to 2.
So we have 168 hours in a week. Ideally, 60 of those should be spent sleeping. Then we have to factor in eating, time for our family, time for ourselves, work.
Okay, well, what about the little sliver for me time?
Right, so it's important to remember that there should be time for me, because it is hard to carve that out to make or take that time.
Yeah, you're right. And Lord, if it isn't easier to preach than it is to practice. Like, obviously, like, I understand the positive impact that self-care can have on reducing stress and on improving well-being, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't have the time or the resources to hashtag live my best life.
Well, that's just the thing. It doesn't have to be this big to-do. So sometimes when something seems so big, it's hard to tackle. You can do small things like take a walk, even if it's just around the block. Or during lunch, maybe watch your favorite Netflix show, not binge watch at work. Or listen to a podcast.
Okay. Bet. So I can do something like get a pedi, or maybe go bake some cookies, or do my morning devotional, right? Or maybe I can just do like 5 minutes a day really trying to get at that growing pile of clothes in the corner of my room. You know what I'm saying?
I do. Well, whatever you do, just remember to carve that time out and protect it, just like we do everything else.
Okay, well, on that note then, it's time for us to get out the office.
Oh, sure. Let me just finish my tea first. I'm Ree.
And I'm CT.
And this is our Mental Health Minute.
There's always been those times when I needed a breather, when I might need a quick break from being the leader.